Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got what I think might be something interesting to look at today. So the Walmart near us finally started putting out their holiday packs. You know how they put a display like in the middle of the aisle that have blister packs of a couple of knives or multi-tools and flashlights and stuff. Uh just started putting those out, and I noticed this one, Camillus, Camillus. Um, Little pack here. I thought it was kind of interesting. And this was $15.87. But yeah, you get a fire starter, ferro rod, couple little multi tools, nice sharpener, and what looks like a decent looking knife. So yeah, this is the 8-inch multi tool folding knife and camping tools. And the knife, it says right there 440 stainless. Doesn't specify what 420. So it's not going to be the best deal, obviously. 3.5-inch blade, glass filled nylon handles. Got the fire starter, you got tool number 1, tool number 2. And if you look right there, it says tools, store easily, and handle. So yeah, I thought that was kind of interesting. And on the back, it tells a little bit more. Like the knife, like I said, 3.5-inch blade. Overall length is 8 inches. So it's a larger knife. And you got on the little tools, you got a flathead screwdriver, hex wrenches. Actually, they look like spoke wrenches there. Pry bar, cord cutter, wire stripper, wire cutter, more hex wrenches, and yeah, button lock for releasing tool number 2 on one side, and button lock for releasing tools number 1 on the other side. So yeah, I thought it was something cool to check out. Like I said, it's $15.87. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this stuff out off camera, save some time, because yeah, really doesn't look like an easy way of doing it. It's going to take a while, but I'm going to probably use my Rough Rider tadpole, because this is turning my package open. It works good for cutting stuff like this. So be back in however long it takes me. See you in a bit. Okay, so that wasn't all that hard. I was able to cut everything on the side and get it out. And the little tadpole, aka Angry Watermelon, actually worked good for that. I'm digging that. That makes opening stuff like this pretty much a breeze. But yeah, so I got everything out. Got some paperwork. Let's see if it says anything of importance. Caring for your knife. Sharpening the blade is essential. And yeah, you're going to have to sharpen this a lot. But it says using a stone or sharpening steel, hold the blade against the stone or steel and sharpen the edge at an 18 to 22 degree angle. Always store a knife outside of the sheath. It doesn't have a sheath. So that's probably right around a 20 degree bevel. Some more stuff, you can check it out, pause it, whatever. Won't go over it in too much detail. But yeah, so first thing, you get a little ferro rod, and I don't know if you're supposed to use one of these tools. Doesn't even be scraping. Yeah, it's starting to scrape the coating off. The spine of the knife is pretty rounded off. Yeah, nice little ferro rod. And a little paracord like lanyard. So that's that. Oh, knife sharpener here is kind of neat actually. You got carbide rods on that side. It's hard to see. Black ones, and you got ceramic rods on this side. Let me get a light out, show it a little better. See, there's the ceramic rods right there, the carbide blades on that side, and I just noticed, you got good jimping here, or texturing right there, and each side's got a little rubber pad so you can put it down, hold it, run your knife through there, and probably, something like this kind, knife like this, I would, I'd use one of these just to touch it up. I wouldn't use a pull-through type sharpener on more expensive knives. But the little tools, yeah, you got a lot of crap in here though. A lot of crap in those. Don't really have anything to clean them off with. Yeah, a little flathead screwdriver. Use that for a little pry bar too. A couple of hex head wrenches. Doesn't tell what sizes. These do. They look like spoke wrenches. So that's pretty cool. And on this side, yeah, you got your pry bar. You got your wire cutter. And that seems that's pretty sharp. Let me see. Got a little piece of paracord here. I don't know if I can hang on to it. See if that actually cuts anything. Let me try a longer piece. Something I can hang on to. Look. Yeah, you can cut paracord with it. It takes a little bit. But yeah, basic tools on here. A couple of valve wrenches, but yeah, let's check this knife out. So, looking at it through the pack, I'm like, boy, the blade shape reminds me of something else. And I figured it out. It is very similar to the Benchmade Griptilian blade. Very, very similar shaped. Actually, this one has more cutting edge. Actually, the blade's a little bit longer. I mean, very similar. You got a little more of a ramp on the Griptilian than this one, but yeah, I knew I recognized that blade. But it's a liner lock. Lockup is pretty good. See in there? Probably, it's pushing 50%. Any blade play? Absolutely none. So liner lock, easy access to the liner lock. Oh, that's stiff. Definitely a good thumb roller, slow roller. Yeah, it's pretty tight. But you can thumb open it. It'll break in. I don't know, maybe loosen the pivot a little bit. Rides on. It's riding on Teflon washers. I can see that in there. There you can get another look of the lockup. Stainless liners, no milling, no cutouts in the liners. So it's not that heavy. It's not too heavy. But yeah, that'll loosen up. Oh, you put some wrist behind it, you can open it. Ergos are actually not too bad. Not bad at all. One thing I noticed, I looked when it was still in the package before I bought it. I noticed they had a deep carry, right hand, tip up pocket clip. A lot of knives in those packs are tip down, not deep carry. But yeah, this is right hand only though. But it's pretty nice. It's tip up and it's deep carry, pretty deep carry. Like I said, good slow roller. Now these things here are the lock buttons for the multi-tools. So if you look on the side, there's the outline of the multi-tool, these things. So this side has the one with the cord cutter, which is this one. So I assume it slides in these slots back here. Yeah, it clicks in. Push that button. Oh, it pops right out. That's kind of cool. And this one goes in, must be this way. Kind of line the pattern up. Jeez, I'm shoving it right down the center against the blade. There we go. Yeah, that clicks right in there. So you want your tools. There's one. There's the other one. That's actually kind of nifty. Kind of nifty. If you haven't noticed, one company in particular, Civivi's coming out with a couple of knives that have a couple multi-tools on them. The Crit, I think, has the tweezers in the handle, and well, it was right on the tip of my tongue. The other one has another blade. It's a multi-tool. I kind of want that one just because it's multifunctional like this. But yeah, let's take some measurements, and I don't have my ruler back here again. I'll find my little one. So yeah, the knife's got, wow, actually the blade's over 3.5 inches. It's 3 5/8. Handle is just under 4.5. Blade stock on this doesn't seem very thick. It's not overly thick anyways. It is, geez, 0.11. That's not bad at all. Yeah. What's the grip? The grip has about the same, 0.114. So, and that's a hollow grind. Yeah, got a hollow grind, so that's going to be pretty slicey. What I got to cut? Let's cut the receipt. Got a little hang up in there. Wow, not bad, not bad. Handle thickness. Handle thickness is 0.0633. That's not bad considering you have tools in the handle, and the handle is almost contoured. Not bad. I mean, I don't know. You know, comparable. Handle on the grip's a little bit longer. Yeah, this GRN's not too bad. GFN, whatever you want to call it. Got some jimping up here. It's pretty, it works. Got jimping on the scales here, just like, almost like the grip. Feels good in hand, actually. Let's see how much this thing weighs. And that's with, this is with the tools in it. 5.3 ounces. Let's take the tools out. I like how they just fly out. 4.6. That's not too bad. I mean, it's a bigger knife. Get the action tuned up. In fact, here's my little Work Sharp outdoor sharpener. I think I have it 8. Number 8 for a pivot. Loosen that just a touch. Oh yeah. No blade play. Yeah, that's better already. Just that little tiny bit. So it looks like though, rest of everything, all the body screws are sloppy T6s. They can't be T8s. No. My number 6 bit is a little chewed up, and that's a Weehaw. It's a Weehaw bit. But yeah, no, I don't know what comes with this. Let's try a Weehaw bit. I have all my bits in this little Star Wars tin. What's that one? That's a T6. That is a Weehaw bit. And let's see how they fit. Yeah, it's still kind of loose fitting. The T8 didn't fit bad. Well, here's a T7. So, T7. Well, it fits one screw. It fits that screw, but does not fit the other ones. The T8. Yeah. T8 and a pivot. That fits pretty tight, so that's good. But yeah, get that out of the way. I just dropped that bit. Hope I can find it. Now, with these buttons here, it feels like it's an axis lock. I wanna hit those to close it. But yeah, maybe I'll drop a little bit of oil in there, see if that helps. But Teflon washers, they'll break in pretty quick. So, pretty interesting. I think that's kind of cool thing. Get this back in there. For $15.87. You know, if you got someone that's not into knives and they kind of want a knife, this is a pretty cool little pack, little gift pack. Get a couple of multi-tools, get a ferro rod. It kind of really doesn't go with the deal, but get a sharpener, they can at least keep this blade sharp, you know. Good beginner knife, I think. Fit and finish, pretty good. You got a lanyard post. Let me check that out. Yeah, you can tie a lanyard around that standoff. Otherwise, no holes in it, which I like. Nice pocket clip. I mean, holy cow! Check it out though. The clip is flush. Actually, you can see the side of it, what's cut out. So it's pretty much flush with a scale. Screws are flat head. They're recessed. You know, a lot more expensive knives can't get a pocket clip that nice. You look at it, the cutout, that's actually a knife. That's kind of neat. Yeah, you know, $15. Kind of unique little knife with the tools. You know, $1 ferro rod, $1, $2 sharpener. So, you know, yeah, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. Now, it remains to be seen how long the blade stays sharp, what kind of heat treat it's got. Came fairly sharp. Feels like a good edge. The grind's not horrible. It is a little funky up here on this side. But what do you expect for a $15 knife? Got a sharp, you know, it goes right off the cliff. Got a little smile starting already right here. But hey, guess for $15 you can't complain too bad. So yeah, check it out. You go to Walmart, you know, you need a gift. You want to get somebody started on a knife? I think this is a good starter knife for a young person starting out. But yeah, it's the 8-inch multi-tool folding knife and camping tools. Pretty interesting knife with a multi-tool stashed in the handle, plus ferro rod and knife sharpener, pull-through sharpener. But yeah, I guess that's about it. Close this up. I'm kind of intrigued by these. Now, Civivi or someone else come out with, you know, setup like this. I think that's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Maybe I'll check out some of the other gift packs before Christmas. And I guess that's it. As usual, like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until next video, bye.